Wow. What are you doing?
Yard work. What's it look like? Mister, I'll take it from here.
Looks like you're a little short. Again.
I just need 6 more inches.
Yeah. I'm not even going to touch that one. Listen, why don't you just use the brand new propane-powered Craftsman Eco Trimmer? They burn at least 24% fewer greenhouse gas emissions than gasoline. They're more energy efficient than electricity, and you're not limited by a cord.
Huh.
Yeah, huh. My work here's done. Why don't you coil up your cord?
Why don't you coil up your cord?
Look to energy-efficient propane at usepropane.com.